Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video I will show you how to replace laptop battery. This laptop model is HP Pavilion 14BF080TX. So first of all, you remove all screw from the laptop. And here you see the hidden screw. Another side. After removing all screw, you use a rubber remover. If you use rubber remover, it will not scratch in your laptop. You can remove the back part easily. You just follow my process. You can hear the sound when we use remover. After remove all lock, the back part will remove easily. Here you see the main battery, laptop battery. If your laptop battery is not providing proper backup, CMOS battery will not work properly. Then that time you need to change the laptop battery. Because in this laptop there is no CMOS battery individually. The CMOS battery synchronize with your laptop battery, so need to change. It's easy to remove. You see that this is the port which is connected into the motherboard. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.